Smart cycle system has been introduced. For this main docking point, docking station and cycle track are introduced. Main docking point contains 20-30 cycles whereas sub-docking station contains 8 to 10 cycles. Cycle track are designed around Kilakarai with 2 meter wide for two-way flow of cycles with bollard on each sides of track to create segregation from traffic. Relocating bus terminal. The existing bus terminal is comparatively less active. It is situated at inappropriate location which results in less functionality. The approach to the terminal is through a bottleneck entry which makes it inconvenient for the vehicular traffic. The proposed location of the terminal is 280 meters away from Muka Road Junction and covers an area of 8,110 sqm. The omnibus terminal is also integrated with the design. The design provides bus stops for shuttle buses for the convenience of the users. The necessary amenities which are lagging in the existing design have been addressed. The proposed terminal would create a need for commercial development. The design has been enlightened with the use of PV cells and smart signs. The smart information sign is provided on considering the welfare of physically challenged. Adaptive streets. Streets are public spaces that can support a multitude of activity, not only movement of vehicles, but also places to gather, socialize, stay and play. This does not necessarily mean a sidewalk and bike lane on every street. Individual street context is important. Some streets are temporarily closed for automobile traffic which reduce pollution generation, thus encourage walkability. We try to construct situations which would make people to socialize. Activating smart systems make the environment more sustainable. On offering charging points on furniture and poles can create better outdoor working environment. Street-level vegetation offers better air quality and reduced cooling cost. These also act as microclimate modifiers and recharge the groundwater table. Terrace life. Terrace is in space which connects us to nature and can serve as an immediate outdoor space. For vision of healthy communities there are 4 components. They are seating, creative spaces, gardening and solar panels. In seating, we are providing multifunctional furniture includes pieces that can be used for more than one purpose, and we are also integrating vegetation along with furniture to create a liveliness for the space. In creative spaces, we are adding a focal point that attracts the eyes towards it. Lighting. Lighting a roof will make it look larger space. Utilizing a vertical space. Utilize vertical space to add more space to your rooftop garden. Sounds of nature. Nature has all sounds of healing and creating a terrace-level natural scenery which helps the user to explore the sounds of nature that are emotional and mental healers by itself. Gardening. Rooftop garden is to incorporate urban rooftop planting into shared design, making full use of idle space on the roof and carry out rational planning and design. We are proposing rooftop plantation furniture. Solar panels. The use of solar panels reduce the use of electricity. There are several types of solar panels. We are proposing 1 kW on-grid system. It generates 4 units in a day, that is 1,400 kilowatt-hours, 1,500 kilowatt-hours, which is sufficient for 2 4 BHK house. Kinetic floor tile. By stepping 250,000 footsteps in these tiles generate a maximum amount of energy that was enough to charge 10,000 mobile phones. It can also generate electricity when the sun went down. Cycling rigging bike provides 24V 200 watt of electricity can be stored in a 12-volt lead-acid battery, and this stored energy can be used even when not pedaling.